Yo, what's going on? It's LJ here, and welcome to Crypto VIP Show, where we record the video version live streaming here on YouTube, Crypto VIP Live, and we actually take the audio for the podcast version of the Crypto VIP Show. So great to have you here today. We're going to talk about Bitcoin getting to 100K. On top of that, we're going to talk about staking away cryptocurrency. And on top of that, we're going to give the affirmations of the day. That's what we have going on for the show today. We have some good stuff for you today, hanging out here with LJ for Crypto VIP Live. So if it's the first time here, feel free to give me a follow here on Instagram, at Life Coach LJ here on YouTube, at LJ Avilas. Subscribe to podcast, Crypto VIP, on all your favorite podcast apps and everything like that. So great to have you here today. Now we're talking about the first topic, Bitcoin to 100K. So I found this article here on Instagram from Share Crypto. I'm going to read it here, and it had some really good insight that I really felt was good information that I thought would be sharing with you. So feel free to comment if you're watching this, the replay, watching live, any tips and your thoughts on what we have going on with the crypto world. But I'd love to get your thoughts and feedback because I like to record these live so it's a little interactive with you guys as well. So from Share Crypto on Instagram, Bloomberg's intelligent chief commodity strategist Mike McClone, that's a mouthful, has maintained that Bitcoin still has the potential of hitting 100,000 target by the end of the year. So that's what they're predicting. Now, through a Twitter post, McClone noted that the price target is supported by an array of factors like the past Bitcoin trading trend. So based on the historics, that's what they're going with. So it makes sense. According to McClone, Bitcoin has maintained a steady average annual price growth, which puts the 100,000 target as reality. Currently, and this is 5 days ago, Bitcoin is trading at 47,940, attempting to break that 50,000 mark. Now, if you look at the charts for today, it is a downtrend in the market. Lots of news going on, but Bitcoin right now at the time it's recording is 42,184 at the time it's recording. Which if you're watching live, it's live right now. So it can have the potential to break that 50,000 mark again. I believe so. Market goes up and down. It's part of the game. With Bitcoin capped at 21 million coins, McGlone believes that diminishing supply is another driver for the $100,000 mark. This feature has resulted in proponents claiming that Bitcoin is the biggest hedge against inflation. Historically, with Bitcoin's mining's difficulty, the existing supply of coins has risen in value, meaning limited supply, high demand. Okay, let me repeat that. Limited supply, high demand. The more people want Bitcoin, the more valuable it becomes. Notably, the asset embarked on a bull run earlier this year with institutional investors pumping more money into the asset. According to the strategist, the institutional activity will likely push Bitcoin to the new price mark. Notably, with most institutes showing interest in Bitcoin, the asset has attempted to break a new price level. In April, the asset hit the record price of over $64,800 after cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase went public. So that was the peak, just about $65,000 back in April. Now, of course, we've come down since then and gone back up, but hey, that's part of the game. However, the asset corrected by almost 50% amid increased regularity crackdown from China. So, of course, stuff happened in China affecting the market. At the time, McClone said the asset would sustain the crackdown, noting that the move had helped Bitcoin highlight its revolutionary value. He maintained that the recent corrections are not a signal for dark days. It's just corrections in the market. And then, things are going to come back and get back to normal. It's just part of the game, and that's okay. When the market goes up and down, it's cool. It's expected. Now, will Bitcoin get to 100,000 by the end of the year? I definitely think it's possible. If it doesn't get to by the end of this year, I personally think it'll be in by the end of next year because the market, the value, the adoption of cryptocurrency and Bitcoin going mainstream is happening more and more. There's tons of users on Binance, tons of users on Coinbase going public. El Salvador as a country adopting Bitcoin as an actual currency. Things like that happening in the world is just making Bitcoin more and more more aware to people where they will want to invest in it. So you can see how the potential is. Now, that's with what's going on with Bitcoin going to 100,000. Talking about our next topic is staking away crypto. Now, why I love staking away crypto still ties into Bitcoin is because you have the chance and the potential to earn more crypto. So for example, if you hold Bitcoin and stake it away, you are actually given more Bitcoin just for holding it in certain wallets or staking it away for a certain amount of time. It means you lock away your money or your crypto or whatever for a certain amount of time. It's good for multiple reasons. One, it's good for times like this. You won't have the chance to sell it if you lock it away, stake it away for, let's say, 3 months, 6 months, or whatever. So, when the market goes down, you won't have, if you're fearful, oh man, I got to sell it. Nope, you can hold and know that your money's there. You have to wait that 3 to 6 months or however long you stake it away for. So it helps you with that. Two, you earn interest and earn more Bitcoin just for holding Bitcoin. So in the long run, you're going to gain interest that continues to grow in value over the long run. So that's why it's powerful. Now, one place that I love to stake away my crypto, and it's not even staking away, it's literally just holding it in a wallet, and that's with Voyager. Now Voyager, it's a wallet. Now if you're watching this on YouTube, I do have a link in the description of this video where if you use that link, I think we both get like $25 if you invest $100 in crypto. So it's a free way for you to get $25. It's one of the wallets I use where I hold a lot of my crypto, and I love it because of the assets that you can hold, you earn crypto. So for example, talking about Bitcoin, as long as you hold at least 0.01 Bitcoin in your wallet, you're going to earn about 5.75% for the month of September. And you just have to have a minimum monthly balance, meaning you don't have to lock it away for 6 months. There's other wallets and exchanges that do that lock crypto away for a certain amount of time, where with this, it's 0.01 minimum you need, and you're going to earn 5.75% of what you hold. So if you hold a whole Bitcoin, you can earn 0.0575% potentially for just holding it in your wallet, and you can know how much that is, which will eventually grow over time. So super powerful stuff. USDC is another one. This is what I love for people who just want to dip their toes in crypto. This is a great way for you to be smart with your money and what you're doing with your savings account. So let's say, for example, you have a savings account with $1,000 in it. It's just sitting there. It's not doing nothing. Just kind of like an emergency fund or something. So you can buy USDC, which is tied to the US dollar, meaning the price never goes up and down. Bitcoin, 5 days ago was at 48. Today it's 42. A couple months ago it was 65,000. The price does go up and down, but with the USDC, if you want to hold it at exactly dollar value, you can earn 9% rewards just for holding USDC in your wallet. And that's why I like that. So for example, I'll give you real life examples. We had $1,000 in a savings account. We moved, we would earn like 2 cents, 3 cents a month, something like that, just for holding it in the wallet, whatever. It's money sitting in the bank. What the banks are doing is investing it and making more money with the banks. So instead of doing that, I decided to put my money to work for me. So we put that $1,000, bought it USDC, and in 3 months we earned about $25. Now, of course, $25 is not life-changing money, but hey, $25 is money that I earn just for letting my money sit there. My money worked there for me, and that's enough money to take my wife out for a lunch date, maybe take my kids out to get some food or something, Chick-fil-A, McDonald's, Burger King, whatever. It's enough money to do for things. It can contribute towards groceries or whatever you want to do for it. And that's money literally sitting in my wallet and doing nothing. Just let it sit for a couple months. Imagine if you had $10,000, $100,000, and how much you'll earn every single month versus just leaving it sit in the bank. So once you understand how your money works for you and how to make your money work for you, it can be absolutely life-changing. And to get a little more information and training on that, I do want to talk about one of our sponsors for this video, CryptoVIPElite.com, which is actually my course on how to invest in crypto. Now, I learned about crypto investing from my mentor, who by the time he was 29 had made $29 million with crypto, real estate, investing, forex trade, and everything like that. So dude knows what he's talking about. And I've got a great education on how to learn money. So I've been in a lot of his live classes, live masterminds, online classes, and everything. Spend a lot of time investing myself to get myself educated. So I broke it down into like a beginner's crypto course. So with cryptovipelite.com, you can go check it out and get access to this course where I break it down step by step, including going into detail about money mindset and money management. So I kind of go a little more into detail about that. But at the very least, you're buying crypto because USDC is technically a crypto, and it just stays at the dollar. So if you're worried about the price going up and down, and then eventually maybe you get more comfortable buying some Bitcoin, buying some Ethereum, buying some ADA, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. So that's why I love Voyager, and that's why I love staking away, because I hold a lot of my crypto in here, a lot of different cryptos, which of course the price goes up and down, but I'm earning more. I'm earning interest. For example, Polkadot, you get 12% interest just for holding 20 dots in your wallet. Where else are you going to get 12% interest just for holding it? Where else can you get 9% interest on your money, where the actual price doesn't even change? So that's the power of Voyager. That's why I love Voyager. Again, if you're watching this on YouTube, we have a link in the description below for it. And if you use that link, like, you get $25. We both get $25 or something with your investment. So thank you to you. Thank you to me. It's a great way to help support the channel. And you can see all the different coins they have here in Voyager that you can earn interest on. So it's definitely a great way to be able to earn some extra crypto, because think of it, what you're earning now and how it's going to be in the long run, and what that value will be in the next 2, 3, 4, 5 years, 10 years from now. Just earning it now and letting it grow and continue to grow. And you can still withdraw and pull it at any time. It's just holding the minimum monthly balance in your wallet. And that's why I love it. So that's what we have going on with that. And I do want to talk about our second sponsor for this video, which, as you can see down below, is elongate.cc, which is my website. Now, when I first got started with making money online, I was actually had an affiliate marketing business, which I still have and I still run. And what I've done is I built a system. That's what I do. I build systems, and they're auto-generated systems that follow up with leads and do a lot of selling and stuff for you. Now, I've actually put a system together where I actually can do all that work for you to help close sales for you and help you make more money. And it's a great side hustle. It's a great way to start online business, and I can even actually send you my leads and everything done for you. So that's what we have with ljvillas.com. If you want to start a little online side hustle, if you're worried about investing, you don't have any money to invest, you can start an online affiliate marketing business by going to ljvillas.com, using my system absolutely free. And as you use the system, you can make money. And as you make money, you can then invest it in crypto. So I got you hooked up. If you got money to invest, go ahead. And if you don't have any money to invest, you definitely want to go check out ljvillas.com. It's my way to help you make money online as well. So now we're going to talk about our third topic of the day, which is the affirmation of the day. I'm big on affirmations. I think they're really powerful, and we're going to read this together because I read and share affirmations every day on my Instagram story. So at LifeCoachLJ, if you want to follow me there. And what I do is you read these, but you also want to think about it, because when you grow as a person and grow in the mindset mentality, and you become the person, you have to speak it into existence for it to happen. So when you think and you become the person you want to be, then you become that person. So you act as if, and it's not a fake it till you make it thing. It's actually believing and becoming the person you want to be, doing the actions that that person is, and then you become that person. So for today's affirmation, an appreciation of everything. Today is such a beautiful day because I have so many blessings in my life. There's so much for me to be thankful for. When I pause for a second, I see that I am living the life that I prayed for years ago. My life is already so beautiful, and I know that there is so much more to come. Now, for me personally, absolutely, this is 100% true, because if you know my personal story, about 2.5 years ago, my family moved to Florida, and that was a planning that we've had for about 4 years of planning and praying and working hard and believing that we would get here. And now we've accomplished that goal, and now we live here. So 100% absolutely love this affirmation today. And that's one of those things, you felt it, you believed it, you thought it, and worked your ass off to get to where you want to be in life, and then you become that person. So hopefully you got some value out of that video. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to share this video out with the community so they know what's going on with the crypto news. Love reading your comments, so feel free to leave some comments. Follow me on Instagram at LifeCoachLJ. Subscribe to YouTube at LJ Villas. Subscribe to the podcast, the audio podcast, Crypto VIP, on iTunes, Stitcher, Google Play, Spotify, all your favorite podcast networks. And thank you very much for being here today. I will see you in in the next video, and you will listen to me on the next podcast. And always remember, you're just one side hustle away. Take care.